Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to enable or disable Do Not Disturb in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. First of all, in your phone, go to Settings. Then go to Sounds and Vibration. And here, click on Do Not Disturb. And just turn on this button, do not disturb, so that you will only receive calls, messages and app notifications which are allowed to interrupt. Okay, all other things will not happen. Okay, so in this way you can easily enable do not disturb. If you would like to feel that do not disturb should be disabled at later stage, yes, you can do it. Just turn off this button so that it will be free from do not disturb. Okay, so in this way you can easily enable or disable do not disturb in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.